Realme is once again teasing the upcoming Realme 15 lineup that's about to launch very soon in India. We can expect only the vanilla Realme 15 and the Pro version, though, as the Pro Plus will likely launch at a later date. A new leak that has surfaced has revealed key details about the Realme 15 Pro. It will be available in 3 shades: velvet green, silk purple, and flowing silver. In India, the Realme 15 Pro will arrive in multiple configurations, up to 12GB plus 512GB. It speculates that the device may go official by the end of July. The phone features a 6.7-inch FHD plus 120Hz curved edge AMOLED screen, and a 6000 mAh battery with 45W charging. The device is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 OIS camera and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens on the back. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.